Music verbs help you talk about music activities in everyday English. The 5 important verbs are play, sing, compose, listen, and perform. These words let you share what you do with music naturally. Play music means using instruments like guitar, piano, or drums to make sounds. Say, I play music when someone asks what musical activities you enjoy. This shows you create music with instruments. Sing music means using your voice to make songs and melodies. Say, I sing music when you like to use your voice for karaoke or choir. This verb describes vocal music making. Compose music means creating original songs or melodies from your imagination. Say, I compose music when you write your own tunes or arrangements. This shows creative music making. Listen to music means hearing songs through headphones, speakers, radio, or concerts. Say, I listen to music when you enjoy songs playing around you. This is the most common music activity. Perform music means playing or singing for other people to watch and listen. Say, I perform music for concerts, shows, or school events. This shows music presented to an audience. Practice these two. I play music for instruments like guitar and piano. I sing music using your voice for songs. Both describe active music making with hands or voice. Remember these pairs. I compose music to create original songs. I listen to music through headphones or speakers. One makes music, the other enjoys existing music. Final practice. I perform music means playing or singing for audiences at shows. Now you know all 5 music verbs for everyday conversations about music activities. Here are all 5 music verbs together: play, sing, compose, listen, perform. Practice these words daily to talk confidently about music with friends and family.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.